you from getting your goals? Obstacles. Can you say obstacles?
Obstacle.
Dalawa yan, may man-made, tsaka merong natural. Yung natural, hindi mo mapipigilan. Yung man-made, yan yung ugali mo. Yan yung pagiging negative mo. Yan yung pagkakaroon mo ng maraming worry, doubt, fear. So make sure you identify your obstacles because most often than not, your own obstacles is yourself. Ang kalaban mo is that, your greatest foe. Because yourself can be your greatest ally or greatest foe. When you look in front of the mirror, yung taong yun ang pipigil sa'yo o magpapasaksit sa'yo. Now, along the way, we never guarantee that it's gonna be a smooth sailing. Siyempre, nasa rough waters ka, punong-puno ng matangkinding tidal waves yan. My tip is, do not be afraid to fail. Kung 1 year ka na, hindi ka kumikita ng malaki, it's okay. Sir, yung 1 taon na yun po, isa-isahan na nga lang, nag-quit pa. Wala pa ng kabangga. Wala pa ng kabangga na wala. I've been here 21 years. Pag hindi talaga para sa'yo, mawawala. Pero pag talagang para sa'yo, kahit anong buhin mo, mag-i-stay yan sa network. Ano yung sabi ko kanina? Accept. Pag nawala, ganun talaga. Masakit sa una. Pero move on. Don't be afraid to pay. Hindi ka pa kumikita ng malaki. It's okay. Doon ka rin papunta. Lahat ng putas na ihinom, tanda mo to, ikaw maihinom ka rin. Panahon lang ang magsasabi para mahinom ka. Action step. 1, 2, 3, go! Today, I will take time to think about where I want to be 1 year from today, and I will analyze what am I doing to get there. Are you learning?
Yes.
Next, make your mark. Do not just become successful. Make a mark in this world. Do not play ordinary. Huwag kang makontento na ordinaryo ka lang. Many people die with their spouse still with them, and they took it to their grave. Marami pong tao na namatay, hindi nila nakanta yung mga gusto nilang kantahin. Maraming nangamatay, they buried their dreams with them. Do not become like that. Success is not complicated. At the end of the day, your actions are controlled by your thoughts. So make sure you associate yourself with the right people. Kaya mamayang gabi magtanong ka sarili mo, am I friends with the right people? Am I associating myself with the right people? Am I reading the right books? Am I watching the right movies so that I will grow and become brighter and bolder? Your thoughts are controlled by what you consistently permit to be ejected in your mind. Kung ano yung pinapasok mo, yun ang magiging thoughts mo. Tapos, yung thoughts mo, control niya kung ano yung mga actions na gagawin mo. Kaya, garbage in, garbage out. Kung ano yung pinasok mo, yun ang aanihin mo. So make your mark. I want you to take note of this. Marshall Field. Si Marshall Field is a very, very successful businessman in the States. And he came up with these 10 success steps. Okay, isa-isayin ko lang, although these are very basic. 10 guidelines for success. Ayan. Number 1, the value of time. Sorry, medyo hindi maganda yung sa laptop. The value of time, para malaman mo yung value ng time, huwag mong sayangin ang oras. Don't waste time. The value of perseverance. Don't ever quit. The pleasure of hard work. Don't be lazy. The dignity of simplicity. Don't complicate things or don't be complicated. Number 5, the power of kindness. Do not be uncaring to your downlines. Number 6, the worth of character. Don't be dishonest, because the number 1 thing that can destroy your character is being dishonest. The call of duty. Don't shun responsibility. Number 8. Uy. Okay? ko lang. The wisdom of economy. Don't be a spendthrift. Yung spendthrift, alam niyo na, magastos. Konting kita, gastos. Konting kita, gastos. And number 9, okay, the virtue of patience, don't be impatient. The improvement of skills, don't stop learning. And pagdating sa action steps, today, ayan, 1, 2, 3, go! Today, I will review the 10-step process for success as often as possible. Yung hindi sumabay, hindi ko na ulitin. Alter our lives. How do you become bigger, bolder, and brighter this year? Make a conscious effort to alter our lives. And the only way we can be able to alter our lives is, of course, to change our thinking. That's why, sabi ni William James, the greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering the attitudes of their minds. This is very wonderful and powerful. You can actually change your life by changing the way you think. Ang galing, ano? Baguhin mo lang daw yung pag-iisip mo, magbabago na ang buhay mo. Pero pag hindi mo binago yung pag-iisip mo, hindi rin magbabago buhay mo. That's why for success to happen, change has to happen first. And change should be lasting. Otherwise, success will be short-lived. The frightening danger, and I must reiterate and say this again, the frightening danger is the way the negative stimuli, pag sinabing stimuli, mga triggers, katulad ng news, newspaper, negative stories, chismis, etong mga triggers na to affect our thoughts, attitude, goals, and actions. So again, pipiliin mo lang kung ano yung itatanim mo sa isip mo. Because it has been proven, centuries old na itong philosophy na to. Kaya mong baguhin ang sarili mo, kaya mong baguhin ang buhay mo kung babaguhin mo ang isip mo. Paano magbabago yung isip mo? Baguhin mo yung mga binabasa mo. Kung hindi ka nagbabasa, start reading. Baguhin mo rin yung mga kaibigan mo. Makipagbarkada ka sa sabungero, 5 months from now, sabungero ka na din. Hinihipan mo na rin yung manok. Ito malupit, kinakausap mo na rin yung mga manok. Kasi mga sabungero, kinakausap nila manok eh. Makibarkada ka sa mga chismoso, ay nako, 5 months from now, chismoso ka na din. Makibarkada ka sa walang pera, mawalan ka rin ng pera. So change. Babaguhin mo lahat yan para magbago yung isip mo. It's the only way we can change your life. Alter our lives, we become what we think. Pinag-usapan na natin yan. If you have positive friends and positive information coming in, your life is guaranteed to be on the upswing. Don't watch news anymore. I don't believe in being updated sa news. You know why? Because whether you like it or not, if something really bad happens, even if you don't read the news, that news will reach you. Kahit hindi ka magbasa, pag may nangyari, makakarating din sa'yo. Kaya huwag ka na maging current. Ma-high blood ka eh. Bakit? Pag nanood ka, at ikaw, anti-Duterte, high blood ka, anti-Duterte ka eh. Pag nanood ka, tapos si Lenny naman, ang pinapakita, high blood ka rin, anti-Lenny ka eh. Eh di huwag ka na lang manood para walang samaan ng loob. Are you with me? O, sa States, you're pro-Clinton, eh natalo si Clinton. Every time nanonood ka ng CNN, masama ang loob mo. Lang yato si Trump kung ang piluka ang buhok. Are you with me? O, action steps. 1, 2, 3, go. Today, I will be conscious of everything that is going into my mind, and I will make every effort to put in only the good, clean, and powerful, and positive. Can you say yes to that?
Yes!
Can you say a big, big yes to that?
Yes!
Develop friendship. Do not just treat your downlines as money-making machines. Kilala natin yung downline natin pag mag-encode. Pag tinawag ka dito sa SEG9, ayan o si upline encode. So huwag ka magpapakilala sa downline mo na thought. Seek understanding and not perfection. In a friend, seek understanding, not perfection in a friend. Because after all, if the person was perfect, he might not want to be your friend. So hindi ka pwedeng maging perfectionist kasi, pagka maraming perfectionist dyan, hindi ka nila magiging kaibigan. So how do you develop friendship? Be honest, learn to forgive, and be thoughtful. Be honest to your downlines. Huwag kayong magsisinungaling, do not bend the rules, do not, exaggerate things. Be honest. Learn to forgive. Pag nagkamali yung downline mo, forgive. Maraming upline dito. Wala kayong nagawa, na-flash out kayo ng mga ilang araw. Ang dami ditong nag-post, 9 million points, flash out. Learn to forgive. Kahit na medyo masakit sa loob mo, sabi mo kay upline mo, kahit na downline mo nag-flash out sa'yo, thank you downline. Makakarma ka din. Sino flash out dito, takang pamamay. Pero pag nagpe-present kayo, yun naman ang gusto nyo, 24,000 a day. Be thoughtful. Alamin nyo yung mga birthday ng downlines ninyo, magregalo rin kayo. Pakainin nyo naman yung mga downlines nyo. Kaya palampakan nyo yung mga upline na mahilig magpakain. I love you, upline. Upline, pakainin, nalit ako mamaya.
Tulog na siya.
Okay. Networker tayo, ha? Hindi networker. Matapos na ako. Okay. Action step. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Nawala. Okay. Ayan. Action step. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. I will make a friend by being a friend. Okay. Can you say win? If you want to become bigger, bolder, and brighter this year, expect to win. So tell yourself, I will win in 2017. Hindi sabay-sabay. Yung hindi nakasabay, hindi makakasabay sa 2,000 match per day. Per pair. Again. 1, 2, 3. I will win in 2017. Bakit? Malaki ang impact ng expectation mo sa sarili mo. Ginawan ko ng study yan. Evidence is conclusive that when an employer, yung employer ba, ang expectancy niya has a direct bearing on employee. So ikaw bilang upline, may direct influence, may direct bearing yung iyong paniniwala or expectation sa downlines mo. So ganun din sa sarili mo. So expect to win. Ang mindset mo, I will become a global ambassador. Huwag kang mag-expect to lose. Kasi yung expectancy, ang laki ng impact sa mga makukuha natin dito sa AIM. Kaya kapag umalis kayo ng bahay, ang lagi niyong sasabihin, mapapapayin ko, mapapapayin ko, mapapapayin ko. Expectation yun eh. Hindi yung sana mapapayin ko, sana mapapayin ko. Guess what? Pag sinasabi mong sana, the universe will keep you in that condition na sana.
Mag-usap daw muna kami.
So tatanggalin niyo yung sana. Sana yumaman ako. The universe will keep you in that condition na sana ka lang lagi. Be affirmative. Pag sinabi affirmative, walang sana. Kaya ka na ako sa global ang lagi mong nire-recite. Araw-araw tuwing umaga. Sorry, basahin muna natin. Action step. 1, 2, 3, go. Today, I will expect to win in all my activities. Sabi na ni Sir Arnelto kanina, learn more. Mag-aaral pa. To become bigger, bolder, and brighter, mag-aaral pa this year. Watch your way to enhance your chances for success is to become a specialist in a particular field, especially network marketing. So magpakadaluhasa ka para lalo ka pang makapagpapayin. Mag-specialize kayo ng skills nyo dito as a network marketer. It's what you learn after you know it all that counts. So, baliwala yung matutunan mo pero hindi ka rin nag-take ng action at hindi mo rin ina-apply. Action step. 1, 2, 3, go! Today, I will identify an area where I can help others by gaining additional knowledge. And I will begin to work become bigger, bolder, and brighter this year? Overcome fear? There's no question that many people never succeed because they are so afraid of failure. Fear of failure can be a serious problem. Overcome fear by starting out with smaller successes. So, lagi nyo i-imagine yung mga small success nyo. Ano po ba yung mga small success na yun? Pa-isa-isang payout, padala-dalawang payout, nag-online ka, pa-isa-isang payout lang muna. Always try to visualize because you capitalize on that. Para ma-overcome mo yung fear mo. Start small. Tawag natin dyan, baby steps. Okay? Ayan. Action steps. 1, 2, 3, go! Today, I will overcome my fear by taking action on things I fear. Mali yung spelling ng bay. Bye. Nakalagay. Bye. Tawag ko kay Ernie yun eh. Bye. Ernie, hi. Bye. Move ahead. How do you move ahead? Ito, ang ganda nito. Hindi ko na palalawakin. Most people do not know what to do when they got hungry spiritually, emotionally, and attitudinally. Kasi pag nagutom ka physically, madali lang punuan. Pero pag nagutom ka emotionally, spiritually, and attitudinally, ang hirap pakainin. So how do you do that? Associate yourself with right people, read the right books, inspirational books. Kaya mga downlines, please, bigit-bigit ka muna ng gusto sa upline. And gusto ko downlines, I suggest, huwag ka lang didikit kasi hindi ka pa successful. Even when you become successful, please, dumikit ka pa rin sa upline mo. Hindi yung pag naging successful ka, hindi mo nakilala yung upline mo. Kaya kahit successful ka na, dapat nagpapasalamat ka pa rin sa mga uplines mo. Ha? Huwag ka mawawala sa ilaw. Huwag ka mawawala. Katulad na sinabi ni Sir Arnel kanina, huwag aangat pagpa mo sa lupa. Okay? Action steps. 1, 2, 3, go. Today, I will listen or read at least one inspirational recording or literature. I will then share the message with a friend. Can you promise yourself that? Na magbasa ng libro? You know why? Leaders are readers. Lagi nagbabasa. Mag-invest kayo. Appealing, may dating. Kasi, diba sabi ni Sir Arnel kanina, look sharp, feel sharp, and be sharp. So minsan, baka naman ang kulang lang sa'yo yung magsuot ka ng maayos. Baka naman this time, baka pwedeng mag-polo ka naman kesa yung round neck na t-shirt lang. Baka naman pwedeng magpantalon ka, wala nang butas. Kasi laging butas-butas yung maong mo. So, hindi naman kailangan mamahalin. Hindi naman kailangan laging may buhaya. Ang importante, look sharp, feel sharp, and be sharp. Action step. 1, 2, 3, go. Today, I will be particularly aware and conscientious of the way I look and dress. Ano pa? Visualize success. See exciting results in advance. Use your imagination. Alam niyo, pinakamagandang imagine, nagsasalita na kayo dito sa harap ng Mall of Asia. Kasi ikaw na ang susunod na sharer natin sa BB Rally, Anniversary Rally. Sino gusto mag-share dito sa stage? Taas ang kamay! Sino ang gusto ditong mabidyo at ipakita ang buhay niya sa buong mundo? Sino dito ang gusto magkaroon ng bahay? Sarili ba? Taas ang kamay! Na maraming bahay! Na siya nagdadrive! See? Visualize. Visualize. Para ma-internalize. Visualize to internalize. Action steps. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, go! Today, I will make out a victory list of my 10 best accomplishments over the past 12 months. Bakit pinagagawa ito? Kasi pagka may victory list ka, pag may listahan ka ng mga accomplishments mo, try to visualize on that again and again para ma-feel mong successful ka. Last, sa lahat ng mga nabanggit ko, ang huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, itong last slide natin. Get out of your comfort zone. Please. Now, I'd like to share with you a very important principle. It's what we call the overload principle. and the definition of overload principle, this is very important in terms of getting out of your comfort zone because most people, they never develop their full potential because they are still in that comfort zone. The only way you can extract that potential out from you is to be able to expose yourself from stress, from tension. Kasi pag may little stress, scientists, psychologists say, pagka ikaw naharap tayo sa, certain level of stress, it's actually healthy for ourselves. So let me share with you this principle. Ano yung overload principle? By definition, in order for a muscle, kasama po ang puso, including the heart, to increase strength, it must be gradually stressed by working against a load greater than it is used to. Alam na alam to ng mga athlete. Alam na alam to ng mga nag-exercise. Alam na alam to ng mga nagbubuhat. That for a certain level, nag-start ka sa 10 pounds, nag-chest ka, sa una mahirap, and that develops your muscle. But guess what? After 1 month and 2 months, na 10 pounds pa rin yung binubuhat mo, technically, yung binubuhat mo, napapagod ka, pero wala nang effect sa katawan mo. So in other words, you have to increase weight. Our personality, kasama ang character, is also like a muscle. Ang personality natin parang muscle din. If you want to improve, it needs to be overloaded. Then we as humans adapt, grow, and get better. So how do we become bigger, bolder, and brighter this year? Guess what? Welcome, stress. Get overloaded. Kung dati, sanay ka sa 2 presentation a day, gawin mo ngayon 4. Para yung character mo, personality mo, lalong mag-improve at umalis sa comfort zone. Kung dati, sanay ka sa mag-isa-isang day-in, damihan mo pa para masanay ka naman sa 7S, 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 at tuloy-tuloy na 7S, 7S, 7S. Huwag kayo maging komportable. Yung 12,980, welcome it as additional way for us to improve and therefore get bigger income. Do not welcome it na pampahirap. Ikaw ba pag nagpapalaki ka ba ng chest mo, pag nagdagdag ka ng weight, pampahirap naman itong lifting na to eh. Nag-gym ka pa. Dapat pinwelcome mo, pag nilagay mo yung pabigat, nilagay mo yung kabigat sa kabila, sarap nito, puputok ang dete ko mamaya. Puputok ang chest ko mamaya. Na kahit na, alam mo yung mga nag-gym, di ba? Alam niyo how you develop your muscle? Pag nanginginig na siya, ang tawag po doon failure. Alam na mga PT yan. Alam ni Ronnie Bailey yan. Alam ni Piolo Pascual yan. May Piolo Pascual tayo dito eh. Na pag nanginginig ka, yun actually nagpapalaki ng muscle mo. Kaya pag ikaw nagpe-present, at nanginginig ka sa 12,980, pagkami na ang pain mo sa head mo pa. Welcome that additional plate in your barbells. Kung dati 7,980 sisiw na, sisiw. Dagdagan ka natin ng 5,000, 12,980. Mas lalaki ang income mo, mas develop yung personality. Kaya ang tunay na leader, they accept change. Ang tunay na leader, they accept stress. Ang tunay na leader, kahit nanginginig, tuloy pa rin kasi you get satisfaction from that. Last slide. Throw yourself into the fray. Makipaglaban ka, makipagrambulan ka. Take the top challenges ahead. Every day, ask your body, your brain, your person to be challenged to attempt a new level of stress. Sabay-sabay nating wala na. So, nawala na po eh. Zero na rin yung time ko. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have so many things in store for you in the next few minutes. I want you to hold your horses because marami pa pong surprises sa inyo, lalo na